In this video, we are going to be doing the Forex market analysis for the week. We will take a look at the calendar for the week. We will take a look at the market sentiment for the week. And of course, we will take a look at the currency strength for the week. There's no too much busy schedule as far as the economic calendar is concerned this week. But we will take a look at each of them, and of course, I'm so grateful that you show up. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adibola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I'm so glad and excited that you show up for this video. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted at all. However, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, come on now, do me a favor. This is a free video, but by just supporting us, you will be supporting us with our YouTube algorithm. Okay, so smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys. Right now we are over 20,000. We have over 20,000 subscribers last year. So this year we need to take this channel to 50,000 subscribers. So can I trust you? Can now depend on you that we're going to do that? So go ahead, subscribe and like this video, share this video with your friends and leave your comment. And if there's any currency pairs that you want us to include on our weekly Mondays analysis, every Monday we do analysis like this. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we'll continue with this analysis in a second. All right, so welcome back. So this week, January 9th to January 15th, 2022, there's nothing on Monday. If you're watching this video on Monday, so pretty much there's nothing on Monday. Remember, I deal with the high impact economic news. Okay, so Tuesday 9 a.m. This is my own time zone, Central Time. So we're going to be having Federal Chair that Power testifies, and of course, this might affect the USD peers, as that is the major currency peers, like a Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, and the rest. But it's not really going to be a big deal because this doesn't really look like when we have a forecast and then we are expecting any actual record. Then on Wednesday, we will have a CPI news release that's going to be by 7:30. Then Thursday, we're going to have a PPI. So this week is going to be busy for major currency pairs. Major currency pairs talking about Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, NZD USD, any currency pairs that has USD. That is what we talk about when we say major currency pairs. So I'll be looking forward to trade most of them this week. So let's take a look at the currency strength. The currency strength for the week. Taking a look at this, GBP is strong. Okay, BTC is weak, and the AUD is weak. So when you, except anything change, GBP is stronger. So most GBP peers or crosses, we will be looking to go long, because remember, we buy the strength, we sell the weak. So a currency pair like a GBP NZD, I will be looking forward to buy, except anything happens. I actually have a trade right now that has been on for a while that I'm scared to actually open a long position. So, but with this now, I might be tempted to open a long position. But if I do, I'm going to actually have my stop loss in place, so that even if the market reverses, I will be losing a little. Then, of course, currency pairs like a GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY, GBP USD. So most GBP crosses will be looking to buy this week. That will just be what I'm saying right now, except anything changes based on what we have going on. Let's take a look at the market sentiment and see what most GBP are doing. Remember, when we talk about sentiment, market sentiment, majority is the retail traders, the OTC traders like you and I. So when you take a look at, let's see, GBP JPY, you can see most most retail traders, this is here, you see 83.6% are the short. They are shorting these pairs, but the institutions are actually buying it. 16.4 go long, and I belong to the camp of the minority. Okay, minority wins the game when it comes to forex. Look at GBPAUD. Majority are shorting these pairs, but minority are long. So 10.7% long and 89.3% short. Look at GBP CAD, 3.7 long and 66.3 short. Let's take a look at the GBP NZD if we have it here. GBP NZD is not on the list. NZD USD, you see majority 69.9 are long and 30.1 are short. Remember what we said. When you are trading, it's better you go with the minority. That is how the institution, the big boys, that is what they do. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at the market for the week. By the way, if you are enjoying this and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe. And also, we are rebuilding the Forex Apostle mentoring program website. This will be our new website, and the plan is to give you so many tools. Like most of all these tools that we are using, the plan is to bring them over here, and of course most of our YouTube videos for you to have it also right on the Forex Apostle mentoring.com. So if you have any suggestion, I am open to suggestions, especially all my students. I'm so grateful that you are here with us. So make sure if you have any suggestion, just hit me up and let's go there. Okay, so let's continue with our analysis and let's start with indices. I'm going to be starting with indices. So taking a look at the Nasdaq, as you can see, Nasdaq got here. So if you take a look at where we are right now with Nasdaq, so we are in this zone right now. So by next week, except anything changes, I'm actually expecting Nasdaq or indices generally to go back up, because we have touched this place now. Okay, we have touched this place, we have touched this place, and we have touched this place. So this particular resistance zone, except anything serious happens and we break out downward, but I'm not really expecting that to happen this week. Let's take a look at the daily. You can see right there. It means if we break out downward, it won't stop until we get to 14,609, and I'm not expecting that to happen. So I will be looking forward to trade indices, especially on lower time frame like 15 minutes this week, and they'll be looking forward for opportunity to at least go long, and let's see if we can push it back at least to this area. Okay, to that would be around 16,458. That would be what I'm looking forward to. Okay, GBPAUD, remember what we said. GBPAUD, this particular account that I'm using right now, the market is closed. It will be enabled by the time you are watching this video. So that's why you see my FX Snapper license is not activated, because the market is closed. But based on what we have just said, we'll be looking forward to buy GBP crosses. So GBPAUD, GBP JPY, I'll be looking forward also for long opportunity. GBP NZD, we wait for us to have, like, at least let it retrace back to this area or this area. Okay, when it retraces back to either this area or this area, they are looking forward for long opportunity. Euro USD has been crazy. So right now I will stay off Euro USD except anything changes. Okay, except anything changes, and what that means is that either we break out upward right there or we break out downward. This is what I will be expecting with our Euro USD, but I am off this particular pair right now. But if it breaks out upward, then of course I will go long. If it break out downward, which I am not also expecting, because we have been down for a very long time on Euro USD. Okay, let's take a look at Euro, anything Euro right now, stay off it. And Aussie JPY also right now, I will stay it off. So as we have said, okay, as we have said from our analysis, okay, this week I will be looking forward to buy GBP crosses. That is just what I will focus on this week, like a GBP, JPY, GBP, NZD, GBP, USD, except anything changes from our economic calendar news release. Okay, so there's not too much stuff going on this week. Okay, by the way, if you are watching this and you are looking for a mentor, I'll be privileged to mentor you. Okay, all you just need to do is to visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com. Okay, let's see if you can join one of our Forex disciples, and it will be a great delight to have you on board. Okay, there's not too much activities for this week. So if you don't have much to do, what do you do when there's nothing to do? You keep off. That is when you do your back testing. That is when you go back to your skills and resharpen the skills, and just back test and back test and back test. And when the market is busy, then you begin to harvest those pips. Okay, this is going to be a very, very quick video, very quick video, because there's not too much activities. By the way, I promise this week I'm going to work so hard to make sure that we're releasing videos for you Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, Monday, having an analysis like this. Wednesday, have a free Forex training. And of course, Friday, we're going to be giving you different, personal finance tips, ideas, what you can invest in, what I'm doing with my money, what I'm investing on, and so on and so forth. And you know that every Thursday also we have a money mastery with me. So money mastery by 7 a.m. Central Time, when we'll be talking about how to make, manage, and multiply money. It's not just enough for you to make money, but how do you, invest those money, or that money that you are making. So that is what we discuss every Thursday. Once again, thank you so much for being here. I'm so grateful that you are just there for me. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure that you hang around. Okay, click the videos right there. Just watch my next video right there. Okay, make sure you watch it and leave your comment, and I promise you I'm going to reply to every comment. God bless you. I love you.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.